Hello friends, welcome to Learning Unlimited. You all are requested to subscribe the channel and like the video. As you all are knowing that as a reformative drive of government, three new labor codes has been introduced which has geared towards simplifying India's labor legislation and improve and in ease of doing business. As both houses has passed three new labor codes: India's Relation Code, Code on Social Security, Occupational Safety and Health, and Working Condition Code. As the government seeks to amalgamate 44 central labor acts into four codes towards simplifying India's labor laws and improve ease of doing business. The code on wages, which had proposed on universalization of minimum wages, was already cleared by Parliament last year. In this video, I am going to share you what are the existing labor legislations which got included into the new codes. First of all, let me tell you in Industrial Relation Code, three acts has been included: Industrial Employment Standing Order Act, Industrial Dispute Act, and Trade Union Act. In Occupational Safety and Health and Working Condition Code, various acts has been included like Factory Act, Mines Act, Dock Workers Act, Building and Other Workers Act, Plantation, Contract Labor Act, Interstate Migrant Act, Working Journalist and Other Newspaper Employees Act, Working Journalist Act 1958, Motor Transport Act, Sales Promotion Employee Act, BD and Cigar Workers Act, Cine Workers and Cinema Theatre Workers Act. In Social Security Code, various acts are included like Employee PF Act and Miscellaneous Provisions Act, ESIC Act, Maternity Benefits Act, Building and Other Construction Workers Sales Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, Employment Exchange Act, Senior Workers Welfare Fund Act, Unorganized Workers Security Social Security Act, Employees Compensation Act. These all are acts are included in this new codes. Now I am also going to share you in coming days a descriptive video on this codes which will include what are the new changes which has been happening and which is going to happen in this code. Thank you for my video. Thank you so much. Subscribe the channel.